two final comments, and then we can open it to questions. Something I think that's important for y'all to understand, or for people who mediate and do this for a living, is something. You know, I appreciate the credit that's been for this, and I don't think I never could have done this alone, and never could have done it without Senator West. But I will tell you, I never really could have done it without the help of the Texas Attorney-Mediators Coalition, and something that was very interesting. It's something I don't know if you ever had one of those light bulbs go off, and I had kind of a light bulb go off during this process, which is the legislative process is not easy, and a lot of things get thrown into the legislative process if you're not monitoring it that may be very adverse to your interest. I used to be a trial lawyer. I don't know how many people are former trial lawyers or member of the trial lawyers, but you have people down in Austin monitoring every single bill to make sure it doesn't impact the ability of people to bring certain types of cases. I realized in this process that there was no way I could monitor every single hearing, every single proposal. The way this got passed at the end, where we had added it on to another bill. Fortunately, I think it was a very good bill that got added, but not having someone down there to monitor the legislature, I think, is a dangerous situation. And I could not have done this. There were a number of times where the bill died. I didn't even know it died. But the Texas Attorney-Mediators Coalition, a lobbyist down there, would make me like, hey, you got to do something about this. If you want this bill to survive, you got to do something about this. And I think that's something really important to understand.